Since you clicked on this video, I know you're curious about how to make money simply by using Google Translate, and that's exactly what I'm here to demonstrate. So, get ready to explore a unique method that can potentially earn you $30 every 10 minutes, adding up to an impressive $180 per hour. But wait, this isn't your typical money-making scheme. We're not talking about transcription or blogging here. This method is fresh, it's different, it's accessible to everyone, and it's completely free of charge. Imagine spending just a few hours a day and raking in around $900. Sounds too good to be true? Well, get ready, because I'm about to show you how to do it. But before we dive in, let me assure you, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to earn money online, and all you need is a PayPal account and a willingness to learn. So, sit back and let's get into it. All right, here we are on the Google Translate website, your gateway to unlocking a world of possibilities. Getting here is a breeze. Just head to Google and type in Translate, click on the option that pops up, and voila, you're in. Now, to get into the full website, simply hit the Google Translate link at the bottom, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, translating is a piece of cake. Pick the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. For example, let's say you want to translate hello from English to Spanish. Just type it in and presto, you've got hola. Easy, right? Now that you know how to do translation, let's move into CPA Grip, a website I absolutely adore for its simplicity and earning potential. Here's the scoop. Grab your affiliate link from the available actions on the site. Whenever someone interacts with that link, whether it's clicking or submitting an email, you start earning cash. It's that simple. The best part? Anyone, anywhere in the world can join the action, since CPA Grip pays out through PayPal, which operates globally. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you're good to go. Now, let's dive into the details of this money-making machine. To get started with registration, simply click on the Register button. Since I'm already signed up, it took me straight to the dashboard. But for you, registering is a breeze. All you need is an email address, your name, and a phone number. That's it. Once you're logged in, you'll see a fascinating site, a glimpse into the success stories of people just like you who are making serious cash using this platform. These are real people earning real money. And let me tell you, I personally know individuals raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars through this website alone. So, if you're ready to join the ranks of successful earners, let's dive right in. Today, I'm going to show you a unique approach to making big bucks with this website. Here's the game plan. Head over to Offer Tools, then click on My Offers. By default, the website knows I'm in Finland, so it shows me offers tailored to that region. Not bad, right? The highest paying offer here is 11 and above, which can add up if you've got a hefty volume of traffic. But let's crunch some numbers. To make $2,000 with these offers, you'd need to drive traffic from 200 people. Now that's doable, but what if I told you there's a way to earn even more? Here's the secret sauce. Target high-paying countries with top value offers. Let's look at France, for example. They're offering somewhere in $6 for certain actions. That's a significant jump from the offers in the United States, which offers around $2.05. Why? Because fewer folks are tapping into these markets. They're willing to pay more to incentivize users like you to promote there. Now, let's check out Spain. Oh, even better. They're offering $19 for certain actions. Okay, today we'll be focusing on Spain. While it might not always be the top contender, it's certainly leading the pack right now. So, why the big bucks in Spain? Simple. Many marketers stick to English-speaking markets, leaving other languages underutilized. And that's where the opportunity lies for you. Now, you need to snag your affiliate link. Let's say you click the first offer. In this case, they're asking you to enter your credit card info for a chance to win movie tickets. And for every person that does this, you're going to be earning around $19. Okay, now that you have your affiliate link, what you want to do is choose a domain for the tracking domains. Let's use signing files for this example. And vamos. This is your affiliate link. Now, whenever someone inputs their details for a chance to win, you'll be earning the dollars. But wait, there's more. Your link is quite lengthy, right? So head over to bit.ly.com to shorten it and make it more appealing for people to click. It's really simple. Just sign in with your Google or email account if you haven't already. Press Create New, paste your link here, and press Create. Now your shortened link is ready to use. While you are still there watching, you might as well hit that like button and give some love for the channel, you are doing great. Let's get back. Now what you want to do is head to trafficadbar.com and add your short and link. This website promises to give you at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. So even if only 10% of them complete the offer, you'll still be making a tidy sum. Finally, save your ad into the network, and every time someone performs the action you've specified, you'll be earning cash. Remember, even if only 10 people out of 100 complete the offer, you'll still be earning $190. Now, that's what I call a lucrative opportunity. Okay, that's about it. If you like this video, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, there is a big chance that you literally miss out the one video which will make the difference for your online money making. Don't forget to watch the other videos about how to make money online, because if you're not, what are you even doing? Take care. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder.